Hi, folks. How are you all doing today? I'm doing great, and I am back with a brand new video, right? So, today we will be discussing about the turtle blocks which are present here, right? So, in the last video, we have discussed about UI controls category, right? So, that was this one. So, in UI controls category, we have all the control related blocks, right? Which are related to UI basically, okay? So, UI here means that user interface, right? So user interface components, the controls which we are doing for the user interface components, everything is present over here. That means you can dynamically create the UI components. You can change the properties of the UI components using this, right? You can set the text, you can get the text, you can set the numbers, you can get the numbers, right? You can create radio buttons, labels, all the design components whichever are present. You can handle events using on event block, right? And you can set the properties, you can set positions of the component, right? You can get the x and y positions, you can set the colors like RGB, right? So you can set screens and so many more. We have learned about all these things in this UI controls category, right? So this was all about the previous video. If you've not watched my previous videos, please do go back to my channel, Folks Hub, open the playlist Applab, and then do watch all of them in a sequence for you to understand what is the content and what exactly are we learning in the series, right? So you will be understanding better if you're coming right, starting from right from the beginning, right? So because it will be very much easy for you to understand and follow whatever is being taught. Okay, so now, like in the last video, we have discussed about this UI controls category, which was very, very informative, right? Please do go back and watch that because it has about, it has information about all these components which are present over here, right? Each and every component I have clearly explained it very well, right? So now, let's go to Turtle and let's start our today's session where we will be understanding each and every block of Turtle category, which is very simple, right? And which is very interesting too, because turtle category where turtle is nothing but it's like a pointer, right? So we have a video regarding the turtle also in our previous videos. Please do go back to the channel playlist and you will get to understand where the turtle thing is, right? So do check out that. And turtle means it's like a pointer on the screen which is used to draw the shapes, right? So and let's see what each block means and what it can do, right? How it can be used. So first block is move forward. So move forward is nothing but it is used to move ahead, move forward. Okay. So move forward by how many number of pixels, right? So pixel means that it is like the smallest dot present on your screen, right? So we already know from mathematics that when you're connecting dots, that means you're drawing a line segment, right? So here on the screen also, if you're connecting pixels, that means you're drawing a line. Okay, so to draw a line, you have to connect so and so number of pixels, right? So if you're drawing a line segment, let's suppose it is 10 centimeters, that means you're connecting those many dots in the meanwhile, right? So you're connecting 1 centimeter to the second centimeter, then third centimeter, and so on, like the 10 centimeters, right? In the meanwhile, you will be having so many dots, like you will have millimeters, then we can go deeper and deeper to get the smallest of the smallest unit, correct? Here the smallest of the smallest unit is pixel. Okay, so if I'm saying 25 here, that means it will be moving ahead by 25 pixels, 25 dots. Let's check. So you can see the turtle started off here and it moved towards like a upside, right? So because moving ahead, moving forward means moving upward. Okay, so if I'm writing 25, it is moving like this. So what if I write 100? So that means it should draw 100 pixel line, 4 times bigger than this one. Let's see. So let's run. Yes, it's 4 times bigger than the previous one now. Okay, so this is about moving ahead, moving forward. So similarly, if you are drawing some shape, not only you'll move forward, but at times you have to move backward also. Correct. So for that we have move backward. So move backward 25 pixel means that the turtle will be moving backward by 25 pixels. Okay, let's just check that out. Yes, it is moving behind, right? So it is moving downwards now. Like in terms of 2D, we can say downwards and upwards, moving forward and backward, right? So now, let's suppose I will just write 100 again, because it should come to the starting point. I mean, I just want that to happen. Let's see if that happens or no. Yes, you can see it is again coming back to its starting point, right? So this is how move forward and move backward blocks work, right? Now, the next one is move. So this is very important, and it's like a little critical thing to understand, right? So listen carefully so that you are understanding this better. Okay, so let I will just take the page mark over here. Yeah. So you can see this is the starting point of the turtle, right? So let's understand. I mean, okay, let's suppose this starting point over here is this is the middle, right, of the canvas. So the complete canvas has 320 pixels, and the y values, the complete y values are 450. I think we have discussed about this in the x and y coordinate system. If you have not checked out that video, please do go back and check out X and Y coordinate system to understand this more better. Okay. So yeah, like X is 320, right? So and Y is 450. So now we have to figure out what is the midpoint of 320 and 450. So 320 is like so it should be like 160, right? 320 by 2 means 160. So the starting value of the pointer, okay, the x value of the pointer here is 160. And then what about the 450 by 2 thing? So 450 by 2, it should be like 2, 2, and 5. It's 225, right? So it's 160 comma 225. This is the starting x value and y value where your cursor is starting from. Okay, so now again it is back to the same position wherever it started off, right? That's why I'm talking about the starting position. Okay, now so x is 160, y is 225. Now we understood that the starting position of the turtle is this one. Now, when I say move 25 comma 25, what it does, it will add 25 pixels to the starting initial value or current value of the x. So the current value of x is 160. So what if I add plus 25 to that? It should become 185, right? So because 160 plus 25 is 185. Okay, so this becomes 185. Okay, now y, so y should become 225 plus 25, because I wrote 25 here for y also. That means this becomes 250. Okay, so 185 comma 250. So yeah, 185 comma 250 is the new x and y values. So your turtle will move there now. Okay, let's check out if it is moving to x 185 and y 250 or not. So I'm sorry, this my tool is not working properly now. Something happened to the tool. What? I will just reload the page. So let's wait for this to reload. Yeah, back. We're back again. So let's just click on run button here. Like you can see, whatever I was telling you, so it has to go to 185 comma 250, right? So I will just place my cursor there for you to understand. So 185 comma 250 it was, right? So it should be somewhere around here. Okay, so let's remember this point. It's somewhere over here. No, let's check if it is coming there. Yeah, you can absolutely see this is 150 sorry 185 comma 250 only. Okay, so I hope now you understood how your move block will work, right? Now what is the next block? So the next block is move 2. So move 2 will directly take you to that x and y value whatever you're giving. So let's suppose I'm giving my x and y values as 0, comma 0. Okay, so it should go to this point, initial point here, right? Let's see if it goes. Yes, it is absolutely going to the 0 comma 0 point, right? So this is about move to, like wherever on the screen you want to move your cursor directly to that point, right? You can actually do that using move to. Then dot, to execute this dot properly, so to understand this dot, it will create a dot of that particular radius whatever you are typing over here. So 5 means it will create a 5 pixel dot, that means 5 pixel radius. Okay, and if I'm writing 10 pixel radius will be there for that dot. Okay, so here I wrote 0 comma 0, right? Let's write 100 comma 100 so that you'll understand this better. So reset and run. You can see it has moved to 100 comma 100 point, and it is now drawing a circle with 5 pixel radius. Okay, so that's why it is very small. So if I say 50, then it should be very big, 50 pixel radius. See, very big circle. So from the center, you have 50 pixels radius for the circle. Okay, so it is just drawing a dot there. That's it. Dot function will create a dot only, but how big dot you want, that is decided by this radius. Okay, so then turn right will turn. Will make your cursor turn towards right side. So let's just remove this dot instruction because you will not see the pointer if you have a dot, right? So yeah, you can see it is turning right by 90 degrees. Okay, so this 90 over here is the degrees angle. So how much angle, at what angle you want your cursor to be turning, right? So that is done using turn right. Then we have turn left. Turn left is basically to turn your pointer towards left side. Okay, so whatever the angle you give, it just does the same thing. So first it will turn right and then again it will turn left, so it is back to the normal position. Then we have turn to. Turn to is again a critical thing to understand, so focus on this one now. Turn to 0, we have different values for turn to again. Okay, so turn to 0 means the turtle or the pointer will face towards north. Okay, that means upward direction. Okay, and if I say turn to 90, 90 will turn your turtle towards right side, that means eastwards. Okay, if I write turn to 180, right? 180 is nothing but downwards. The turtle will turn towards south. Okay, and if I write turn to 270, 270 is nothing but left. Okay, so left in the sense westwards, right? So let's just check out. I will write 270 only, it should turn leftwards, right? So 270, then let's run this. So you can see it is turning towards west now. Okay, leftwards. So this is about turn to. So whatever the angle you are writing, so based on that it will be turning. Okay, we already know, right? So if your pointer is facing towards north, okay, so that will be the 0 degree there. So from there you are starting your 0 degree, and if you want your if you are turning 90 degrees, right? So then what will happen? The turtle should absolutely face towards the right side. So that's how 90 became right. Okay, 180 became down and 270 became left. Okay, so if I write 360, I think it should face northwards only, because so 360 is the complete angle, right? So let's check that out. I have never checked it, but yeah, let's check it. 360. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, like I told you, it is facing towards north only. Okay, so and then we have arc right. Arc right is something to draw arc, right? So I hope you know about arc, like the part of a circle, right? So the segment of a circle will be called as arc, and whatever the angle you are giving here, so that degree arc will be created. Okay, and how much ever radius you want, you have to give it over here on the second one. So here I'm writing 90-degree angle with 25 pixel radius arc. So you'll be seeing the same now. You can see here, right? So it is going 90 degrees only. Okay, then it is stopping there, and it has from the center, you can, if you can see, if you can measure, then that will become the 25 pixel radius. Okay. So then arc right is to turn your arc right towards, arc left if you want your arc to be drawn towards left side. Okay. Then get x will get the x position value, get y will get y position value of the turtle, then get direction will get the direction. Okay. So 0 degrees is like pointing upward, like we have discussed for turn 2, right? Same, get direction to get the direction or current direction of your turtle. Pen up means, this is again very important block. If you're putting your pen up, so turtle here is like a pen only because it is drawing something, no? So if you're putting your pen up and if you say move forward, it will not draw the line. Let's just check that out. So I'm writing, I'll write 200 because we've not drawn any 200 pixel line. That means this should be bigger now. Let's see if there is a bigger line being drawn or no. Okay. No. See, you can check. It's not drawing any 200 pixel line over here, right? So that means if you're putting your pen up, you can't really draw anything. So this is logically correct, no? Like whenever you're holding your pen on the book, and if you're trying to draw something, definitely it should draw a line, right? And if you're putting your pen up, and then if you're trying to draw something, that means you're drawing in air, right? So it will not draw a line. So logically this is something like that. Okay. So pen up means you're putting your cursor up and you don't want to draw any line, right? So this is like jumping ahead. If you want to jump, right? If you do not want to draw something and if you directly want to jump towards something, so you can put pen up and then move forward so that it will move till there, but it will not draw a line. Okay. So this is about pen up. Pen down will be there. So pen down means again, it should put the pen down and it should draw something. So let's check now if it is, yes, you can see it is drawing 200 pixel towards north because it stopped here. This was the last thing. Okay. Then then we have pen width. Pen width is like thickness of the line which you are drawing. So if I'm saying pen width 3, so the line should be thicker now. You can see a thicker line is being drawn from here. And then pen color. So pen color is nothing but whatever the color you want to give, you can give. So the line will come in red color now. So you can see this is in red color. Then pen RGB, to set the RGB values for your pen. Let's suppose I will remove this pen color and I will write 120, 180 and 200. Let's see what is this color. Oh, this is something like a Alice blue kind of color. Okay. Then show. Show means it will show the turtle on the screen. Hide means it will hide the turtle. That means your turtle will not be visible on the screen. Speed means it will set the turtle's speed, how fast your drawing has to move, right? That is set by speed. That's it. Okay. So I hope you understood each and every block in the turtle category, right? So these are all the blocks which are present in the turtle category, and each and every block is explained properly, right? So if you're not getting anything, do rewind the video, do watch it again and again for getting hold of it, right? So use them, understand them, and explore them for better understanding. Okay. So yes, this was all about our today's video about the turtle blocks, right? And the next video we'll discuss about another category. Okay. So till then, please do watch all my videos, right? Go back and do watch them again and again for your better understanding. Okay. So we will be meeting in the next video. Till then, I know, I hope you know what you have to do, right? So you have to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Okay. So please do all of these things, and I'll be meeting you in the next class. Okay. Bye bye, and have a great day, all.